guys, today we'll be washing squash. It's an easy way. So I'm going to turn it. I don't think you can see better. Good or not, just here. And now let's wash the squash. 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 That one. And now we turn the water off. I need y'all to back up for a little bit. Now I'm going to grab a towel. Coming at ya. Pretty. Coming at ya. Coming at ya. That's our towel covering, y'all. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Hey, Mom, these towels are real soft.
Really?
Yeah. Then we're going to dry it. It's just like washing stuff, but washing squash. Baseball bat. Peanut butter gel, peanut butter gel, peanut butter gel with a baseball bat. Put that right there. Second squash. Okay, so. Kate. Here's one of these boots are gonna walk all over. Done. Shake it. You rather shake it, tap it, or dry it? Whichever one you want to do. So I'm going to let those dry a little bit more. Next squash. Wait. Comment down below. Is this a squash? It's green. I don't think so. So. Oh. Well, never mind. Don't. It's zucchini. This is squash. This is squash.
Yeah.
One of these easy suits are gonna walk all over you. Bye. If you are if you are new to this channel, I am Drayton. So, and that girl over there. This girl is Mama, also known as Brittany Peppers.
That's me too.
Brittany Peppers, Pepper Fan Podcast. Listen to our Peppers Fan Podcast, and please subscribe.